It's basically like you guys were telling me, you guys did your part of shipping it. It's not your fault if it's lost. Like, it is if you don't give me the correct shipping information. That's the thing that irritated me. Like, nobody could find this information in the system that you so-called sent it through, but you guys said it was shipped, so that means it's good. Like, and also fix your return policy. It should not be days after you ship it, because if I don't receive it until like 3 months after I was supposed to receive it, then why should I have to keep something that clearly, like, it's just... Hey everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross, back with another video. As you guys can tell by the title down below, because I'm not trying to waste no time, we have an unboxing and first impression and try on and swatches and all that good stuff to do today. This brand was introduced to me by, of course, the Queen Makeup by Tammy. She's reviewed a few items, eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, stuff like that on her channel, and I got very interested in ordering from them. And then of course I was seeing ads pop up through the whole, quarantine life struggle, and I thought, you know what, I might as well go ahead and order.
A few moments later.
Don't order from Focallure's website. I'm telling you that now. Don't order from their personal website. If you can find another third party or a authorized vendor, please do that. Please do that. Let's just do this. I'm gonna go in it with a clear head, take the shipping outside of it and take the customer services outside of it, because there are other third parties, vendors that do sell this, and if this is a good quality, then I'm gonna keep rolling with it. I'll just find other ways to buy it, or I'll just keep the products that I have and keep using those, and then it is what it is. I got this free Match Max sponge. So here is a box of lipsticks that I ordered. I ordered 15. I did pick the shades. Probably use one of them today, but if you guys want to see a lip swatching video, please let me know. We have the blush, highlight, and contour, the CoverMax Full Coverage Matte Foundation. This is the Focallure Concealer, the Sun Kiss Monochromatic Blush Duo. And then these are the 15 color eyeshadow palettes. We have Paris. Look at that, I love it. And then we have PERTH, that's beautiful too. The inside of the palette is what got me for this one, but Paris, because it's Paris and I freaking love Paris. If for some reason you are unsure about if you are receiving a legit Focallure package, if you order from a third party vendor, then you can check the package. You can also check the code as well. You can also do that on their website. Like if you get from a third party vendor, you can actually go to the Focallure website, and there's literally a section that says like authenticity. So yeah, you can do that, but all I gotta say is it better be authentic, because it took me almost 7.5 years to get this. No, I'm just joking. It's not 7.5 years, but it did take a while. Look how gorgeous that packaging is. Oh my gosh, I know y'all see that. Pan sizes are smaller than I thought, but there you go. Have the mirror, of course, and then there is the shades. It is protected by plastic covering. And this is the PERTH palette. Oh my gosh, online pictures do not do the shades justice. All right, so let's go ahead back to this Paris palette, which I cannot get over the fact that that is like super cool. Okay, I'm done. All right, let's try the glitter primer. Let's see if we can bump it up a little bit with the glitter primer. Yes, I am applying it on top of what's already there. All right, so that's it for now for the Paris palette. Of course, when I did this eye off camera, I just went straight in with the glitter primer. I didn't try to do it without the glitter primer, just went straight in with the glitter primer. And yeah, I think I got them even. And this is the CoverMax Full Coverage Matte Foundation. Cruelty free and vegan, and it doesn't have any type of description about these foundation. Like it doesn't say undertone or anything. So it's in this little baggie, thankfully, and it's sticking to the bag because there's oil or something. What is that? That feels like oil. What the heck? Oh God. Oh, it was untwisted. Ew. Ugh. It took y'all 7.5 years to get me this package, and then it comes. Ugh. Okay, so this one came fine. Alright, so we're good on this one. So this is the darkest shade, which is 20 dark. And then this is the second to last shade, which is 19 coffee. I'm going to try 20 dark first because I know Makeup by Tammy use shade 19. And I know she's lighter than me, so might not be that bad. The undertone may be a little bit more grayer than what I need, but we'll see if we can make it work. Yeah, that's coffee with cream in it, but that's coffee. Yeah, y'all ain't about to have me out here looking crazy with 19, cause that looks off. When I bought all this stuff, they didn't have a primer. Now they do, but there was no way in heck I was gonna grab it after it took this long to get this stuff here. I'm gonna throw a primer on. Funny thing is, when Makeup by Tammy did her video on this foundation, I was saying that, oh, like, I bought this foundation, I should return it. Because once I saw her review, I was like, yeah, I should return it. Like, if she was, you know, struggling with the shade, I was like, I should return mine. But the thing is, because they sent it so late, and their return policy is from when they sent it, apparently, and not when I receive it, I missed the deadline. This is the long-lasting concealer, long-lasting liquid concealer. This is in the darkest shade again. This is 07 Deep. I'm actually gonna try the makeup sponge that they gave me. Teardrop sponge. Says wet if you want to, but you guys know what I do. I spray with my Mario Badescu spray. So I'm gonna set this with my typical e.l.f. Prime and Stay finishing powder. Next we're gonna move on to contour. So I have this blush highlight contour trio palette, so to speak, and this is in the shade 01. That's what the contour looks like, that's what the highlight looks like, and that's what the blush looks like. I'm going to take my Matte Ambition powder foundation in the shade 420 Neutral, Deep Neutral 2, and I'm going to use this as my Oliver setting powder. Go to the Sunkissed Monochromatic Blush Duo. I picked the one that's a bronzer. Ah, crap. My bad. I guess this is the bronzer. Let's try it mix and see what we get. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to be getting from that. Let me try it as a highlighter. Gonna move on from that. Just gonna close that up and move on. So I know y'all asking for it. I know y'all asking. I know. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try this bright pink blusher. Lord help me. It's about to go left real quick. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and pick out a lip. Based off of pictures, I'm gonna try Deep Chestnut if I can find it. This is number 14, by the way. So if you order from a third party and it just has the numbers, this is number 14. That doesn't even match the sticker. What? I'm gonna put a liner on. Maybe it dries different. I am really trying to give this stuff hope right now. I'm gonna apply my NYX liner in NYX Shade Espresso. That's not Chestnut at all. What the? Let's go number 50, Dark Coral. I think I'm gonna do a swatch video because this is about to get crazy. All right, so there's the sticker. Before I even take this out the box, there's the sticker. Y'all see that color? That one's not bad, but still. Well, that's a coral shade. You know, we're gonna end it there. Yeah, I'm gonna put a gloss on this. Yeah, eyeshadows were pretty. The eyeshadow palettes were pretty. I will, if you guys want to see the other one, which is PERTH, please let me know that down in the comments down below. As far as the shimmer shades go, it might be best to use them either wet or with the glitter primer, from my opinion. So what else can I say nice? This foundation. It is a comfortable foundation. It doesn't feel drying on my face. My face doesn't feel like gone from life, but I don't see the madness. As far as the shade's not bad. The shade is not bad. I would still say it's a little bit more gray than I expected. So I would say it is a neutral shade, but it's neutral with gray. Number 19, coffee, that's what that shade was. It was coffee with creamer after you let it sit for a couple days. And it just separates. The concealer wasn't bad. Blended in well with the foundation. I wonder if I let it sit for a little bit longer, will the coverage be a little bit better? But I felt like it is a hydrating concealer, but it's supposed to be a full coverage concealer as well. So if you are my skin complexion, don't buy it. It's a pretty shade, but I don't think it's gonna pop up on us. I think we need something else. And as far as this, they need to fix the pictures because this looks like the darkest contour. Like, I wasn't expecting the perfect face, don't get me wrong, because I know this brand is a mainly Asian brand. So when it comes to them doing products dark enough and deep enough for us, it's kind of like, it's not really there. Thank God for being free. The sponge was cute. You know, I like it. Now I got a green color in my shade, you know, in my sponge collections. The matte lipstick, the shade was pretty, a little bit deceiving, but the shade is pretty. And yes, I did put a gloss on it because it was starting to get that sticky matte and I wasn't really feeling that. Yeah, Focallure definitely has some things to work on. I would say if you want to try out anything from this brand, just buy the eyeshadow palettes. That's kind of the seller they really have. They're trying to expand to other things, which is cute, but they definitely have some things to work on, including their customer service. That's a big thing they want to work on. But like I said, if you want to buy anything, please go ahead and check them out on AliExpress. I know that's where Makeup by Tammy gets her stuff from.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
Yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I am your girl, J. Ross. I don't know why I had to be so extra. I guess because I've been so down this whole video. I gotta end it with a little bit of extra oomph up in there. You know, gotta add with a little bit of extra oomph. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Please stay safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.